What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about Sundial Growers. Once again, that's Sundial Growers with the ticker symbol SNDL. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So guys, Sundial Growers by the time of this recording is currently trading at 0.5229. It's down at roughly 0.6%. Now if you go to Market Beat, you can also see here that the 5-day performance of Sundial Growers is negative 1.53%. A 1-month performance of negative 1.64%, but it has a 3 months performance of 9.39%. Okay, now if you go to your Fintel.io, you can clearly see here that the short interest of float is 12.16%. Off-exchange short volume is 31,155,305 shares. Off-exchange short volume ratio of 58.11%. So for all those people that doesn't know what is Sundial Growers, so if you go to Yahoo Finance and you go to the description, you can see here that Sundial Growers engages in production and marketing of cannabis products for adult use market in Canada. It supports and distributes inhalable products such as flower, pre-rolls, and vapes. The company offers its products under the Top Leaf, Sundial Cannabis, Palmetto, and Grasslands brands. Sundial Growers was incorporated in 2006 and is headquartered in Calgary, Canada. So guys, this is close to where I currently live here in Canada. The cannabis is actually a recreational product, and it's currently legal here in most of the provinces. So I'd like to talk about Sundial Growers as I find this stock interesting, and it has a growing popularity among retail investors and Wall Street alike. So I think that the cannabis sector will definitely grow in the next few years as US starts legalizing them among their states. So here you go, guys. So guys, this is an article from yesterday from Yahoo Finance. It says here that marijuana stocks that will light up your 420 portfolio. Okay, so that's exactly what they said. The marijuana sector is lighting up not just on 420, and that was yesterday, with New Jersey starting legal sales on April 21st. New York recently licensing 52 suppliers to begin growing products on farms, a push for federal legalization, and Benzinga holding a cannabis conference on April 20 and 21. So that was yesterday and today. Investor sentiment around marijuana stocks is rising. So guys, this is even before the investor sentiment towards marijuana stock is already rising because of first of all, people look forward in cannabis legalization, and also there is people are seeing a huge forecast of sales of marijuana. So legal cannabis sales totaled $20 billion in 2020 and are projected to reach $40.5 billion by 2025. So guys, this is the forecast up until 2025. Emily Flippin, a Motley Fool analyst, told Go Banking Rates that cannabis stock performance has historically been heavily driven by the sentiment of retail investors. This has led to a boom-bust cycle that tends to pump up cannabis business when positive news is on the horizon, while also causing underperformance when excitement wanes. She added that in the US, retail investor sentiment is often driven by changes in federal policies on cannabis regulations. Despite falling prices, many US-based cannabis businesses are actually recording record levels of profitability and growth, even in the face of burdensome tax policies. Investors looking to gain exposure to the cannabis industry should invest in businesses that are producing sizable and growing positive operating and free cash flows, while avoiding names that garner some of the highest levels of hype due to abstract deals, dilute M&A activities, or high levels of speculation by short-term traders. So shout out to Investor Hub user Viewmont. It says here that he posted this due diligence. It says here SNDL legal cannabis sales to begin April 21st in New Jersey. Okay, so legal. It says here legal cannabis sales to begin April 21st in New Jersey. What it means for weed stock. This is from barons.com, guys. He just copied and pasted this in his forum. So, New Jersey will become the first state in the New York to metro region to sell licensed recreational marijuana. Starting April 21st, customers 21 years old and older will be able to legally purchase cannabis and cannabis products without a medical card. So, this is a tweet from Governor Phil Murphy. In a historic step in our work to create a new cannabis industry, he added. New Jersey Cannabis Regulation Commission will be issuing licenses to 7 alternative treatment centers to begin adult use operations and at least 13 retail dispensaries starting in Thursday. So that will be today, right? In March, the Commission approved 68 conditional cannabis licenses, including 18 for manufacturing businesses and 60 for cultivation facilities. So that's his post in his Investor Hub forum page. Now, if you go to Reddit, okay, so shout out to a Reddit user Ayoki Rabbit. Okay, Ayoki Rabbit, thanks to you. So this is the Benzinga National Conference point by point highlight of Zach's talking points. Okay, so Sundial talking points from the 2022 Benzinga Cannabis Conference. So he says here there could be a significant increase in market value. Okay, full year financials by the end of the month, April. Today, I mean this month. So I saw the video, guys. He was talking about all of these, right? Their full year financials for 2020 will be released by the end of April. Clarification: delay is a function of the rapid pace of growth of the company. Growth has put auditors and finance team under stress. Market cap at its highest was 3 billion. That's what's driving the ER release today. Sundial had a lot of M&A transactions, market and acquisition transactions in 2021. Most uniquely diverse company in the cannabis sector. Okay, so there's a lot of things involved with the Sundial Growers, guys. So I think this stock will do well in the next 5 months, in the next year. Okay, as the cannabis sector is gaining more and more legalization across US, although it's already legal here in Canada. Okay, so built out about a $500 million credit portfolio on top of that. Okay, so this is his DD. You can actually see this DD in Reddit. So under the Reddit user Ayoki Rabbit. Okay, and also if you go to Twitter, guys, you can also see that Sundial Growers is all gaining popularity because of the 420. Okay, so 420 it has something to do with weed. Okay, and today is 421, and that is yesterday, right? So here you go, guys. If you scroll down, you can see a lot of posts regarding Sundial Growers. So guys, this is the article from Barron's. If you scroll down here, that you can actually see that this is the tweet from Governor Phil Murphy. It says here, today, recreational adult use cannabis sales begin in New Jersey. Today is the start of an entirely new industry for our state and a historic moment in our work to advance social and economic justice. Okay, so his tweet is started trending in Twitter. Okay, Governor Phil Murphy from New Jersey, guys. Okay, there you go. So where do we see Sundial Growers ahead of the trading days, guys? It looks to me that this stock will be bullish in the next few trading days due to the PRs that was just released, and it has something to do with the weed stocks. Usually, guys, if we get PRs from from news, positive sentiments, we will get green. We will get see investors pile up in this stock once again. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you can see that your RSI is 35 30 around 37 37.86. It has a lot of room to the upside, even the stochastics, guys. Okay, so if you pull this up, your stochastics is around, it's very low, right? So I see a huge upside potential for Sundial Growers, guys. So I think this is a no-brainer. This stock will do good in the next few years. Okay, most states in the U.S. is actually looking at legalizing marijuana. Same here in Canada. So I think this personally this is a good investment at this price point 0.52. It's if you want to invest. This is not financial advice, but if you want to have some exposure to cut weed stocks, Sundial Growers personally is a good pick. Okay, so you can see here very clear that we have a good support at around 0.52. Your 9 EMA starts to crawl down. I'm really hoping that your 9 EMA could cross right above your 50 EMA, and that will act as a better support for this stock. Okay, so if we see that the 9 EMA cross over your 50 EMA and 200 EMA, that will provide a bullish sentiment for day traders and short time frame investors to actually start piling in this stock. Okay, so if you break that down to your 4-hour time frame, your VWAP, the 9 EMA thinks as your VWAP thinks that your 90 EMA is currently is acting as its resistance. So hopefully we can cross this indicator in a pretty time soon. Okay, but if you think about it, if you right now in your 15-minute EMA, your VWAP have just crossed your 90 EMA. Hopefully we can regain your 50 EMA once again and your 200 EMA. Like I said before, this stock, if you hold even monthly full, they would say this, that if you hold this stock in the next 3 years, if you're a long investor, this could do pretty good in your portfolio. Okay, so once again, guys, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. If you like the information and analysis that I provided you in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, this is your boy once again, Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.